Welcome to Saba Academy, and this is part 3 or part C of drawing the true length of a line. So we looked at where we used the top view, okay, as our auxiliary projector, and then the second one we used the front view as our auxiliary projector. The third way would be to use the side view as the auxiliary projector. You can use any view as your auxiliary projector. Okay, so let's first draw or get our side view. Okay, then we can project our side view to get our true length. Okay, so I'll project the front view, okay, to get my side view because it's front side adjacent and then top front adjacent, right? Okay, so I can pick any point along this line. So let me say maybe some 2 centimeters away. Some 2 centimeters away. So all I'm doing is I'll project the height of A prime, B prime onto here to get my side view, right? So I know the distance, the vertical distance between A and B is 5 centimeters, right? So point B is down here, and then along A, that is 5 centimeters. So that becomes A. Okay. Then I join it like that. So this will be A in my horizontal, B in my horizontal, right? A in my frontal, B in my frontal, okay? And then B in my profile, A in my profile. So we know horizontal plane is for the top view, frontal or the vertical plane is for the front view, and then the profile plane is for the side view. So I have my top, my front, and then my side view. Okay, so now that we have our top view, front view, and side view, if you recall from the previous videos, when we were dealing with the top view and then the front view, our XY, okay, our reference XY was horizontal, and then our mutual view was vertical, right? And then this time we are dealing with the front and the side, okay, so the orientation changes. Okay, so this time our XY reference plane will be vertical, okay, and then our mutual view this time will be what? Horizontal, okay. And then if you remember, our auxiliary projector is always perpendicular to our chosen line, so we are dealing with our side view, so we do 90 degrees on both ends of the side view, on both ends of the side view. Okay, and then this gives us our auxiliary projector. Gives us our auxiliary projector. Then as usual, we take some distance So I will use 2 centimeters along our auxiliary projector, and that becomes our reference x1, y1. That becomes our reference x1, y1. And then what I'll do here will be to measure between A and B and then XY. Okay, so the distance between A and then XY along the mutual projector is 5 centimeters. So along the projector of A in the side view, okay, onto x1, y1, and then I measure 5 centimeters. So that's about here. Okay, and
I'm watching videos about your profession.
B is up here, so then I just join both of them. After joining 2 points, this then becomes my true length line. So if I measure this once again, I get AB 75 millimeters, which is still well within my margin of error. So then that does it. So we did top view, front view, right, where we use the top view as the projector. We looked at doing the front view as the projector, and then now we've also done the side view as the projector. So thank you for joining me. If you liked this video, like it. If you want to see more of it, subscribe, and then don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you.